Now this question I am going to solve. First of all, first this question, okay. I am going to solve. Here just tick if the following sets are empty and cross if they are others than empty. The set of natural numbers less than 1. Natural numbers start from 1, 1, 2, 3 like this. So there is no any less than number 1. So it is 0. Empty, yes. This is empty. Correct. The set of even prime numbers, it is also empty because it can't be the set of even prime numbers, but it can't be because there is an prime number 2. Prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7, like this, but we have 2 as prime number and this is even, so this can't be this right sign, this must be cross sign, okay. This is not correct. And C number, for C number, the set of grade 6 students taller than 6 feet, we can't say this, we can't say so there so this is also cross, yes. And D number, the set of odd numbers divisibles by 2, yes. For example, odd number 3 by, this is 2, this is 2, 5 by 2. So no any odd number can be divisible by 2, so this is empty. So this is right, this one is right, and these two are cross, okay. So let's clear this. Let's clear this. Now this separate the finite and infinite sets from the following sets. If they are finite, write the number of elements of these sets. First of all, we have to differentiate between finite or non-finite sets. Odd numbers greater than 20 means 21, 23, 25, 27, like this is, and this is infinite. So as it is infinite, we cannot write the sets, yes. And second number, B number, prime number less than 20, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. Oh, this is mistake, yes. So I make mistake. Your prime number is, I have to write prime number 9, 11, 13, and 17, and 19, okay. So it is finite. And last number is the whole number less than 0, 1, it is 0, so it is also finite. This much for now.